Hello everyone, it's the time to load and play the audio files. We will work on the train sorted so that we have sorted these clips starting from the negative files only. At the end of the negative files, the positive start. So why we have done the sorting for the labeling process? We will add a label for each negative file as a label 0 and for each positive file as a label 1, and we will feed these files and labels so that the neural net can see and learn negative is 0, positive is 1. So this is why we have done the sorting process. So we will, for the purpose of load and play, we will need some extra libraries. I will say the import Librosa. Thank you, Librosa. Nowadays it's the most powerful audio library. All the suggestions actually by AI are known. I don't need them actually. I need something called Librosa.display. Import Librosa.display. Thank you. Also, I need something from IPython.display import audio. Yes, thank you AI. Actually, thank you Google and AI. So we have done updating our list of libraries, and now I will add the new section of new coding section, and I will call it load and play. Control MB to add a new programming cell. Now I will hide all the other sections which is not necessary, like this section, path and folder. And I have also a copy of my path, which is very good practice. Also, don't forget to mount your drive. So let us start with reaching the files. I will reach these files, okay, in my Python, and I will inside the folder train sorted using glob. So I will call them a train underscore sorted, yes, train sorted files equal. Thank you glob. Thank you glob. Glob is giving, thank you AI, giving me the glob tab. Just check, inspect your link. Yes, train sorted, all the wave file, yes, home, control enter. So now we have train sorted files containing all the clips from the train sorted folder. Good news. Give me the next cell. I will print something. So let me say for file and train sorted, yes, tab. I will not play the audio actually. I will just want to print the file path and file name. So control enter for the sake of inspection and some extra activity of programming. It should be negative first, and this is the scenario, correct scenario, and followed by the, so there is no interfering of any positive file between the negative list. After the negative are done and finished, starting the first positive file and moving down to only positive file. Good news. I will add a counter as an index for these files. So let me say counter AI, thank you. I will print the index of counter near the file name. Copy. Any help? No, I don't want the end. I want actually the counter. Any help? Yes, thank you. Updating the counter, control enter. So what we have till now is adding this index number near each file. Why? I will tell you why. So that means if you load index 0, it should be negative. Negative means there is no word Ahmed when you play the sound. So let me add a new cell, Control MB, and now it's the time to load the audio clip. Librosa.load. Thank you AI. It gives me train sorted file 0. Okay, I will load the first audio in the list. That's good. Okay, why not? Before you run this, please bear in your mind that Librosa.load will give you two values as a result of this command. The audio itself okay, comma, something called SR, sampling rate. So control enter. Loaded, control MB. Okay, how can we play this? I will give a comment, play audio, enter. Any help? Thank you, AI. Audio tab. So this is the command that will load this, not load, that will play the loaded file. So we load by Librosa.load and play by the audio command. Now when we play this command, there should be no Ahmed in the playing process. Cool, no Ahmed. So the index 0, which is the first file, is negative and it's totally correct. Let me start checking like this one, 60. It should be also negative, no Ahmed. So 60, control enter. And run. And play. Negative, no Ahmed. Just some family talk. What about, let me check the last negative file. The last negative file is supposed to be with index of 164. As you see here, this is 164, and 165 is the first positive file. So 164, enter, control enter, and play. Run. No Ahmed. So it's negative. That's totally correct. Now let me dive through some of the positive file. 184. Let me check the first positive file first, which is 165. First positive file. So I can make sure everything is fine. So load it and run the play. We should hear the word Ahmed.
Ahmed.
That's great. So there is Ahmed. This is a positive file, and so on. Let me check file number 200, like 200 or 201.
Ahmed.
So it's positive. I think everything is fine with our dataset. This is the first inspection all the time. Please inspect your audio and make sure everything is fine. See you next video. Thank you.